Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to find out who blocked us on Facebook. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead and log into our Facebook account. So once we are here, all we need to do then is to click the search icon and we're going to type in the name of the particular person whom we suspect that blocked us. So we're going to click that. And if you notice that that particular person is no longer visible on your account, you can confirm that one on your friends list. So if you try to check on your friends list and the name of that particular account is no longer visible, the tendency there is that that person probably blocked you on Facebook. So how we are going to determine if that person really blocked us or that person just deactivated his or her account? So all we need to do then is to go to the mobile browser, or just like for example this one. We are just going to type in the name of the particular person, and right after the name is we're going to input Facebook. Once we're done typing in the name and Facebook, you notice that that account is reflected on the screen. That only means that that particular person blocked you on Facebook. So there you have it. That's how we are going to know if someone blocked us on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.